Hello, my creative professional humans. It is a delight to see you this morning, noon, night, whenever you are here. I am so glad that you are. This is your reminder for today. You are a professional artist. You're doing it. You're good for your community. You're good for the world. Keep creating. That's what we're doing. First things first, 9 things your demo needs is still available, but only for 2 more weeks. So grab yours if you haven't, link below. If you're looking to spruce up your demo, make a new demo, whatever you need. There are 3 essential demos that you need anyway, so if you don't have those 3, then make sure you're grabbing this so that you can expand and have everything your business needs. This week we are in the voiceover realm. Welcome. We're chatting about the top 5 things that I have done for my voiceover business personally. I've been working professionally as a voiceover artist for 7 years now, and I have made a good few mistakes along the way. I am happy to own up to those another time, but actually today is not about my mistakes. It is about my successes. The best ways I've ever spent my time, money, and other resources are the following. Top 5 things I've ever done for my voiceover business. Number 1, training. I spent probably too much money, but in the end, it was worth the investment to get professionally trained by the dearly loved and sadly departed Phyllis Cicero. Genius. She taught me how to work behind the mic. It was expensive, and I didn't actually get everything I needed in the end because there wasn't any editing or other things, but it did get me started in a major way, and I don't regret the investment at all. I got confidence. I learned how to perform behind the mic, and I became familiar with what I sound like and what my voice is best suited for. Training was essential. 2, investing in a good mic. Now, I didn't do this right away, so all of these things aren't expenses that I incurred at the beginning of my voiceover business. For a while, I just had a USB mic. It was an Audio-Technica 2020 for about 2 years. That worked just fine. The level of experience I had and the kind of clientele I was serving, that was very acceptable and worked very well for them. But after a couple of years, I upgraded to a Shure mic, and the difference is amazing. That investment made me so much more confident in the product that I deliver, and let's be honest, it just sounds better. 3, the third best thing I've ever done for my voiceover business was hiring help. I have a whole video about when to outsource, how to figure out who you should hire and who you should partner with. But for me, the first hiree, the first person I started working with and partnering with was my friend Josh, who took a large portion of the editing off my plate. Outsourcing tough tasks is always a good investment. It's the best one I made was the first one. Outsourcing long editing sections is what Josh does for me. So for the past 5 years, anything that's over 10 minutes in length, I send to Josh. So I don't have to edit anything long. This has saved me so much time and therefore money. Plus, I get to support another artist, which is one of my main reasons for being in business, is to support other artists as well. So boom, 2 birds, 1 stone. The 4th best decision, these are, by the way, in no particular order. It's just like top 5, mix and match. But number 4 is making my own demos. That was a genius decision that I made for my voiceover business. Everybody told me not to. Everyone said, no, you need to save up and get a professional demo. No, you need to make sure it's recorded in a high quality studio. And I said, no, that doesn't work for me. So I, for free, recorded my own demo. I believe it to be a much more honest representation of my skills and abilities. I saved so much money, and I got a mic, by the way, for so much less than a professional demo costs. I think my mic was like $400, and a demo is like $2,000, which is absurd. And let me tell you, with my little rinky-dink homemade demo, I've worked for Walmart, Ford, KFC, a lot of other big fancy names that don't care that my demo was made by me, by the way. So 5, the final top 5 thing that I have done for my voiceover business was investing in travel equipment. So I invested about probably 3 or 4 years ago. I bought a voiceover booth to go. Not getting sponsored by them, but I do recommend their products. VO Booth to Go is the one that I have. And it is a portable booth that folds up and I can set up anywhere. And I also got like carrying a hard case for my equipment, which was a great investment. So I can pack up my studio and put it in my back seat. I've taken it on long road trips to Colorado. I've taken it to the beach. I haven't flown with it yet, so we'll see how that goes. But it has enabled me to take longer trips because I can keep narrating while I'm on the road. So it's actually really awesome. So that was a good decision that I made. So let me run through those again real quick. The top 5 things I've ever done for my voiceover business were investing in training, a good mic, someone to help me with editing, making my own demo saved me so much money, and travel equipment. You will notice that these things are a mixed bag of cost and save, right? So I invested in training, equipment, and travel equipment. I saved by hiring help to save me time and money, and made my own demo for free. So these are the things that have helped my voiceover business get off the ground quickly and build itself over the years, and I hope that they are helpful to you as well. So finding ways to both save and invest wisely are the things that will help your voiceover business grow. So thank you guys so much for tuning in this week to the Business of Storytelling. I'm Caroline Cole. Please follow along on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories or on Twitter at C Cole Stories. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in next week. Goodbye.